Why do 90% of successful achievers swear by SMART goals? Let's dive into the secret behind their success and how you can replicate it. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element is crucial in transforming a broad wish into a tangible plan. First, specific. Your goal should be clear and defined. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," try, "I aim to jog 3 times a week for 30 minutes." This clarity eliminates confusion and sets a clear direction. Next, measurable. Attach numbers or conditions to your goal. By saying, "I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months," you have a concrete metric to track your progress, keeping you motivated. Third, achievable. Ensure your goal is realistic with your current resources and time. It's about finding the sweet spot between challenging yourself and setting up for success. Fourth, relevant. Your goal should align with your larger life ambitions. Ask yourself if this goal drives you towards your ultimate objectives, ensuring that your efforts are concentrated and meaningful. Lastly, time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline. This creates urgency and pushes you to prioritize. Set a specific date to reach your goal, like by September 1st, I will have completed my online marketing course. By setting SMART goals, you're not just dreaming, you're doing. Turn your aspirations into achievements and take control of your success story. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So let's start planning and achieve more than you ever thought possible.